Hi guys, I just got home. I'm ending my vlog here in the toilet kasi nagpapahinga na sila and I don't want them to disturb. This vlog is about what happened on the past few days. This past few days is really like a roller coaster days because starting Saturday, holiday dito until Wednesday. So we have our 5 days holiday. Hey guys, good morning. Ano oras na? 12. Pangit naman dito. 12:24 p.m. and we're going somewhere. Holiday ngayon. 5 days holiday until Wednesday. Dami naming dala. May maleta pa kasi si mama. Andun sa truck. Okay, muna tayo uwi. Okay, let's go. So, ayun po, wala kaming makitang hotel. Natawagan na namin buong hotels around here. Right now, we're here in Tsuyama City. Yup, medyo nakakalayo-layo na kami. And, yun nga, we're having struggle dahil sa hotel.
A few moments later.
Tour ko kayo. Wait. Simulan natin dito sa labas. And so, may pinto. We have our own vanity area. Aircon. Then, ayan yung table namin. Pa-welcome silang tea. Here's my bed. Ayan yung gamit namin. May maleta pa kami. It's really cheap but comfortable naman and very secure kayo. Tapos, mabait yung mga staff. Actually, nakapag-check-in kami magagabi na din, so hindi kami nakalibot. But, lumabas kami para kumain ng dinner. Then, after that, nag-search kami kung ano meron around that place and we found a pub. That's my first time, kung hindi nyo alam, that's my first time in my whole life. I've never been in a pub. After that, actually, dalawang pub yung pinuntahan namin. And, yeah, it's just amazing. Ano yung nangyari on the first day? Guys, tapos na ang aming first day dito sa Tsuyama. Uy! Uy! Sinara na tayo. Uy! Dito na kami. So, that's how I'll end my first day in Tsuyama. tomorrow, di ko alam kung nasan kami. After I end this vlog, maliligo na kami. So, see you tomorrow. Good night. Then today is Sunday. Ito na yung pinaka-nakapagod na part. But at the same time, ito yung pinaka-masayang part. Yun nga lang kasi umuwi na. So, medyo bitin pa. After in Tsuyama, we travel to Tottori. I'm doing my makeup here in the car. I got no time. Driver challenge na challenge pa. Meron akong ibang vlog around driving around Tottori. So if you haven't watched that, I'll link it down below. So yeah, we just passed by around that place. After Tottori, we went to Amarube. Actually, I went there last year, I think. That's the first time I went there. But meron kasi dun bago na sakay ka na elevator. So they call that Crystal Tower. If you want a sightseeing, ganda yung simoy ng hangin, masarap sa pakiramdam yan, refreshing, you can go there. Dun sa taas, dun mo makikita yung pinaka-view, and that place is so amazing. Then, just a few walks, nandun na yung station. I don't know kung saan papunta yung, na yun. Hindi kasi kami sumakay. Super ganda sa taas. Yeah, that's one of the tourist attraction. Super dami namin picture. Actually, dun lang ako nagkaroon ng magagandang pictures kasi nga walang nangyari ng Saturday, di ba? Yep, that place is a must visit. And so, after nga sa Amarube, we went to Kinosaki Onsen. And there, that place is a tourist attraction din around Toyoka. Dun sa place na yun, if you look left and right, there's always a store. As in, yung buong place na yun, puro store siya. Tapos, meron dun na parang river siya. That's a spot. Naglakad-lakad lang kami. We visit the whole place. Actually, bago yun, kumain muna kami. First time ko rin pala doon. Yup, we went there. And from Tottori, I think it's 2 hours away. So, talagang yung mga binabiyahe namin, mga 2 hours away from that place to another place and to another place. So, yup, that's a tired, long travel. But all in all, it's all worth it. Full experience is so great. Ang saya. We spend the holidays so well. I had fun with my family. 3 lang kami nag-travel. Nga, bago kami umuwi, nag-dinner kami, nag-yakiniko kami. Tapos, umuwi na rin agad kasi sobrang pagod na. So, I'm so tired na rin and magpapahinga na rin. We have still 3 days, 3 more days. We don't know kung saan pa kami pupunta bukas and to some other days. I will just end this vlog right now. So, thank you so much guys for coming along my journey. Kung hindi pa kayo nakaka-subscribe, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. And yep, see you guys on the next video. Bye!